So hello guys, welcome back again. I am into this new activity, new task basically to synchronize identities manually by using the Microsoft Intune Connect. So this is our task. You will configure synchronization from Active Directory domain services to Entra ID. Okay, so this is our scenario. Contoso Corporation is currently managing users in both ADDS and Entra ID as separate processes. This is time consuming and has led to inconsistent information. You have been tasked with addressing this issue by connecting to two directories by using the Microsoft Entra Connect tool. So for this one, we'll need to go to our Entra Admin Center portal, and through here I'll need to go to this Entra ID and navigate to this Enter Connect, and I need to go to this Connect Sync page, and from here this is our tool to download, and this is our tool, right? Connect Sync Agent. So this I have already downloaded. Okay, and I have installed this one as well, so I'll just simply run it. And so here I'll just follow the instructions. So on this XP setting, I need to go to custom and install required components. Click install. On here, on the next page, user sign in, I need to select the password hash synchronization. It's loading. Just give it a minute or two. So here we are on the user sign in page. So password hash is already selected. So basically what this does, this option allows your users to sign in to the cloud using, oh, it's disappearing. So basically it will synchronize the password from the on-premises to the cloud as well as the on-premises. I'll click on next. Now it is asking me to connect. I will provide my credentials here, login, trying to establish a connection, authenticating. So it is already added here, so I'll simply click on this ID. Now on the next step, I need to connect the directories from the contoso.com into forest and then select add directory. So this is our directory. I'll need to add it. And on this page specifically, I need to create a new AD account. So this is an AD forest account. An AD account with sufficient permissions is required for periodic synchronization. Microsoft Entra Connect Sync can create the account for you. Alternatively, you may provide an existing account with the required permissions. About managing account permissions. So here Connect will create a new AD Forest account. So I'll just go with it. Supply these details. Password will be password. Click on OK. Now it's just creating that, and this is done. Nothing much to do. Click on next. On the next page, what we need to do, let me see. User principal name. Okay, I'll just need to select this check mark. Continue without matching all UPN suffixes to verify domain. This is already selected. User principal name is selected, and Microsoft domain. Next. Okay, so here on this page, I need to select domains and OUs. Let's uncheck this. Sync selected domains and OUs. Clear the checkbox, which is already done. Ensure only the following checkboxes are selected, which is IT, managers, marketing, research, and sales. So I'll just select those: IT, managers, marketing, research, and the last sales. This is selected. So these are the only domains and OUs which will get synchronized. Uniquely identifying your users. Nothing needs to be changed here. Click on next. Synchronize all users. What do we need to change anything here? Filter users and devices. Next. Any optional features? Ensure this is selected, which is already. Then click on next. Then start the synchronization process when configuration completes. So I'll just simply click on install. Okay, so this configuration is now complete, guys. So I'll just simply click on exit. Okay, at this time, synchronization of objects from your local Active Directory domain services, ADDS, and Entra ID begins. You should wait approximately 3 to 4 minutes for this process to complete. Okay, so I believe it is already done. So I'll just quickly validate if the user identities has been synchronized or not. Okay, let's click on refresh. So after installing the agent, I just wanted to quickly show you guys that there are certain components which gets installed. Go to programs and features, and as you can see, the Microsoft Intune Connect Health Agent and some packages are also installed as we just did the setup recently, right? Now, these are the agents which will do the synchronization and all. So I can already see the on-premises users. Here you can verify here on-premises, wherever it says yes, then it means it is originated from the on-premises Active Directory, and this one Alex Wilbur was created in the cloud only. Okay, so let's perform the task 2 quickly. Sign in to the Entra is already done. So this is already done. Like I said, this is on-premises sync enabled, so you just need to verify this tab. Wherever it says yes, these identities has been synchronized from the on-premises. And in the groups, I'll go to groups, all groups. I can also see there are certain groups, right? IT managers. So these are the groups, and inside these groups, those are the users. And let's select managers. And I believe I can see the members also. So these are the members from the on-premises infrastructure. Okay, and that's about it on this identity synchronization about this live. I hope you understood, and if there's any suggestion or any improvement, guys, please do let me know in the comments. Thank you.